subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Indian smartphone maker Lava has launched its new entry-level smartphone called Lava Z3 with a stylish rear panel design. Talking about the specifications, the Lava Z3 supports a 6.51-inch HD Plus display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. The rear panel of the phone features a vertically aligned dual camera setup at the top left corner that houses an 8-megapixel main camera with f2.0 aperture, along with the unknown AI featured secondary camera, and it offers features like beauty mode, HDR mode, night mode, and portrait mode. Under the hood, the Lava Z3 comes powered by MediaTek Helio chipset, paired with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of software, the handset runs on stock Android 11 out of the box, and it packs with a massive 5000 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.5 by 75.8 by 8.9mm, and it weighs around 192 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Lava Z3 has been priced in India at 7,499 Indian rupees, and it is now available for purchase in the country in striped blue and striped cyan color options. So what do you guys think of this Lava Z3 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.